We'll guide you through how to turn off the password when downloading apps from the App Store. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So what you want to do is go and open up the Settings app like so, and you need to go and scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode. Come into the section Use Face ID for, and you can switch on iTunes and App Store. So instead of entering your password, you can go and scan your face. Alternatively, if you don't want to have any of this for when downloading certain apps, you can go and switch this off like so. Then all you want to do is you want to go and scroll to the top, click on your name to get your Apple ID settings, and scroll down and click on Media and Purchases and click on Password Settings. Make sure that Free Downloads has the Require Password settings switched off. This means you can download free apps without the password. You can also go and set when purchasing to require after 15 minutes as well, so you don't have to enter every time. Also, what you can do then, come back to your main settings, scroll down to screen time, scroll down again to content and privacy restrictions and make sure they're switched on, and click on iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure require password is set to don't require. This means a password isn't required for additional purchases after making a purchase. After you've done that, you can then come to the App Store. Now, when I try and download an app, I'll try and download a free app. I'll click on Get and click on Install, and it will then go and do it. It will go and ask you for your password the first time you go and do this. You'll need to enter it and you'll get a pop-up saying, do you want to save the password? Click on Save, and then in the future, you won't be asked.